Hi guys, this is Jyoti from Jyothi Rani and welcome back to my channel. Hope so आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे and today I came with a new video and new idea. So this is the video related to hairstyle inspired by Alia Bhatt. तो आज मैं 2 हेयर स्टाइल बताऊँगी आपको. तो चलिए बताती हूँ मैं आपको हेयर स्टाइल जो आलिया भट्ट से इंस्पायर्ड है आपको. You have to part your hair in 2 sections from the side wise and take a little hair from this side. See how I'm taking in the video, like that you have to take a little hair and then you have to part in 2 sections. This little hair you have to part in 2 sections. See how I have taken. Now you have to roll these 2 parts separately. You have to roll separately one part and then you have to roll the second one. तो आपको दोनों अलग अलग रोल करना है पहले. And then you have to roll one another. You have to cross and roll one another. तो आपको एक दूसरे के साथ क्रॉस करके रोल करना है, क्रॉस करके रोल करना है आपको. How I am doing in the video, like that you have to do. And this, seriously friend, this is very good hairstyle and very beautiful hairstyle. I like this hairstyle very much. And you have seen this hairstyle wearing Alia Bhatt so many times because I think she also liked this hairstyle. So see, after that you have to take it to your back and secure with your TikTok clip. So now your first hairstyle is ready. See, it looks so elegant. तो आप इसे पार्टी, कॉलेज, ऑफिस कहीं भी ऐसे हेयर स्टाइल करके जा सकते हैं. आउटिंग के लिए भी जा सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ये बहुत ही इजी है और बहुत जल्दी आप बना सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक. द सेकेंड हेयर स्टाइल, यू हैव टू टेक अ लिटिल हेयर फ्रॉम फ्रंट एंड मेक अ पोनी टेल. You have to make a high ponytail. See how I am doing in the video, like that you have to take. So you can call this hairstyle half messy bun also, because इसको messy bun ही बनाना है ऊपर में हमें. See, you have to tightly make a ponytail and please secure it with a black rubber band because it will be good to hide that rubber band. If you use different color rubber band, then that will be little awkward. See, you have to tightly make it a ponytail. Now you have to roll it. See how I am doing in the video, like that you have to roll it, or you can say you have to twist it. आपको ट्विस्ट करना है और इसको आपको ऐसे राउंड अप करना है. Even you have seen this hairstyle wearing Shraddha Kapoor in Half-Girlfriend movie. And you have to spread that hair like it will show like a volume in your bun. Now you have to secure it with a U-pin. See, now the second hairstyle also it's ready. Now see how it create a beautiful look on my face, and it is also a good hairstyle. You can go in a party with your friend, outing, everywhere you can carry this hairstyle. So if you like this hairstyle, please friend like my video, share with your family and friend, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.